I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a styling video. So as you all can see, I cut bangs into this 40-inch wig from Casslow hair I got on Aliexpress a while ago. I feel like everyone has bangs right now and they just look so cute. So I was like, you know what? One day I was just like, I'm just gonna cut bangs. So I think the best thing to do is cut them in a wig you have already had and all of that. So I did cut the bangs on TikTok. So if you want to see how I actually cut these bangs, then visit my TikTok. So my TikTok for like hair videos and just random stuff is Madam Brittany 2. So I have Madam Brittany, which is like business videos. Then I have Madam Brittany 2, which is more so like hair stuff. So check that one out. But we are going to kind of style this hair. Like, I just think bangs are just so cutesy. And like, I had them on the 4th of July and I felt like it was a very like American girl look. It was very American. But yeah, so. I was a little scared when I did cut these bangs because this is a wig, like I plucked it pretty well. Like I plucked that middle part pretty well. So I was like, how am I going to get bangs that look good? And y'all, it still turns out good when it's actually styled. So we are going to go ahead and do this together and style this hair real quick. Okay. So, also I did cut some layers into this hair. I might add some more just to give it like some more flavor. And it looks so much cuter when it's curled. But let me separate these long hairs I have within my bangs. And one thing I also love about cutting bangs into a wig is that I was like, these bangs look a little short. So all I did was shift my wig down a little bit because, you know, it's a wig, you can do that. I have so many like extra hairs that don't belong in these bangs right now. And that's the problem. So I'm gonna just use my one curler for these curls. This is just gonna be something quick, you guys. Just wanted to film something for you all and show you all my bangs. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen my bangs, but I wanted to show you all my bangs. I think they're fun. So yes, this Casslow wig from Aliexpress is still doing great. Like it still looks good. It's still a great wig. I just was like, I guess I could cut bangs into this. Because I do have that other wig from She Admire, I believe. Or someone that's 40 inches that I really like. And I was like, I'm not cutting bangs into that one. But this one was a little older, so I was like, okay, I'll cut bangs in this one. So when you do cut your layers, if you don't get a chance to watch my TikTok video, I say use one of those like layer combs, the razor combs. That way you can just kind of just cut the layers. So I say make really short layers right here. And then everywhere else, you just kind of go crazy. Do whatever you want to do. Look at Time. Time always tries to be featured in my videos. Like, come on. Like, look. He always tries to find a way to be featured in my videos. It is insane. But I am curling all the hair like backwards on this side, as you can see. And just one curling it. Like you guys, I'm not that good at using a regular curling iron. Like that's one thing I really need to learn if I think I'm gonna be doing hair videos. Like I need to really get good at that. But yeah, I kind of hold it for a couple of seconds and then kind of let it go. So next I need to cut bangs and do like a little side part type of deal. Y'all, I'm gonna fix these bangs, so don't be looking at me crazy. I know they look like kind of weird right now, but I'm gonna fix them, I promise. But yeah, I wanna do like a side part type of thing. Like I saw Keke Palmer have some, Cash Doll. Like Cash Doll's hair just is always on 10. I wanna be like Cash Doll. Like I love her hair. Okay, so now that I'm on my right side, this is where it gets a little tricky for me. This is the harder part for me. Like, I guess curling on whatever side hand you are. Like that one is just like, my mind cannot wrap around the right way to do it most of the time. So we'll see. It'll take a little work, but we'll get it. It looks so cute already. I hope this does not end up looking crazy, but. Okay, yeah, this might look crazy, but we'll fix it, we'll fix it. Well, we have like maybe 4 curls left. So this is not a long process whatsoever, you guys, which I do love. Okay, so now we got it. Okay, y'all, so I usually like to comb out these curls using a wide tooth comb, but I can't find it right now. And this is the razor comb I was talking about. You can get this at the beauty supply. It's usually about $3. So I just take this and go crazy. Like I cut the strand like that. Then you cut this like that. And I mean, just go crazy throughout the hair basically. And you're gonna get some really cool layers. Like it's way easier than people cutting with these. But I can see the use of these too. But this one, this is for people who really aren't too used to cutting and are just doing something crazy. Like your layers don't have to be just perfect with that one. I would say the razor comb is better for those moments. But let's go ahead and kind of separate these curls a little bit and see what we're working with. Okay, this is really fun. Like I really like this. Like it looks almost a little 80s like, but it's fun. I do think this is super cute. So let me kind of make my part a little more apparent. Oh, I am burning my cord. Oh, I gotta be more careful, y'all. I gotta be careful. But yeah, I was gonna hit this a little bit with my hot combs. Make this a little better. But yeah, that is really it for my little bang look. Once again, make sure to head over to my TikTok. I'm going to link the exact TikTok in the description box and a link to this hair so you all can see exactly how I cut the bangs and also get this wig too yourself. I know some people like more curled under bangs. I'm not like a curled under kind of girl. Like I kind of like the raggedness of my bangs. Like I don't want them to be too perfect. You know, like I like that. That's fine. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you all. Bye.